A jigger is a bartending tool used for measuring and pouring precise amounts of liquid when making cocktails. It typically has two different-sized measuring cups on each end, allowing bartenders to accurately measure ingredients for various drink recipes. Jiggers help ensure consistency in flavor and proportion in cocktails by providing standardized measurements. They come in different materials such as metal, acrylic, copper, or wooden, and are an essential tool for mixologists. A multi-level jigger is a bartending tool with multiple measurement levels, often in the form of nested cups or cylinders. This design allows for flexibility in measuring various volumes of liquid, making it convenient for preparing cocktails with different ingredient ratios. Bartenders use these tools to accurately pour specific amounts of liquids, ensuring consistency in drink recipes. A Japanese jigger is a type of bartending jigger with a distinctive design. It usually features a tall, slender shape with clearly marked measurement lines on the interior. The measurements are often in milliliters and can vary, providing precision when crafting Japanese-style cocktails, which often prioritize exact measurements. The design and functionality of the Japanese jigger contribute to the meticulous and refined nature of Japanese mixology. The Oxo Measuring Cup jigger is a versatile tool that combines a measuring cup and a jigger for cocktail enthusiasts. It typically features measurement markings for both liquids and solids, making it convenient for both cooking and mixing drinks. A double jigger is a bartending tool used for measuring and pouring precise amounts of liquid when preparing cocktails. It typically has two different-sized measuring cups on each end, providing versatility for various drink recipes. The dual-sided design allows bartenders to easily switch between measurements without the need for multiple tools. This ensures accuracy and consistency in the proportions of ingredients used in cocktails. A bell jigger is a type of double jigger used in bartending. It consists of two bell-shaped cups of different sizes attached to each end of a handle. The larger bell typically holds a standard measurement, while the smaller one allows for more precise measurements. Bartenders use the bell jigger to accurately pour specific amounts of liquid when crafting cocktails, ensuring consistency in flavor and proportion. Coley jigger is used for measuring spirits. This Coley double jigger features both a 25mm and 50mm measure, so you can mix cocktails with accuracy. The addition of the handle gives you a comfortable grip. A combo jigger is a bartending tool that combines multiple measuring capacities in a single unit, allowing bartenders to easily switch between different volumes when crafting cocktails. It streamlines the measuring process, offering convenience and efficiency in mixing drinks. A copper jigger is a bartending tool used for measuring and pouring precise amounts of liquid in cocktail preparation. It is typically made of copper, known for its durability and aesthetic appeal. The double-sided design allows for versatility in measuring different volumes, ensuring accuracy and consistency in crafting cocktails. Copper jiggers are favored by some bartenders for their stylish appearance and conductive properties, which can aid in temperature control during mixing. A wooden jigger is a type of bartending tool, specifically a double jigger, where the measuring cups are made from wood rather than metal or other materials. The wooden construction can add a rustic or aesthetic touch to the bartending experience. It functions similarly to other double jiggers, allowing bartenders to measure and pour precise amounts of liquids when preparing cocktails. Wooden jiggers may be preferred by some for their visual appeal and the natural feel they bring to the bartending process. Unlike traditional metal jiggers, an acrylic jigger is made from transparent or translucent acrylic material. This design allows bartenders to see the liquid levels easily, providing both functionality and a modern aesthetic. Acrylic jiggers are often durable, lightweight, and can come in various shapes and sizes to accommodate different measurement needs in cocktail preparation. Hammer jigger is a unique variation of a bartending jigger. It typically has a design reminiscent of a hammer, with one end serving as the measuring cup and the other end featuring a handle. The handle provides a comfortable grip and ease of use for bartenders when pouring liquids into the mixing glass or shaker. While the hammer jigger's primary function is to measure and pour precise amounts of liquid for cocktails, its distinctive design adds a touch of novelty to the bartending experience. An adjustable jigger is a bartending tool with a movable or sliding component, allowing users to measure different volumes of liquid within a certain range. This design provides flexibility for crafting cocktails with specific and varied ingredient ratios. An Oxo Steel double jigger is a bartending tool used for measuring and pouring precise amounts of liquid, typically while making cocktails. It usually has two different sized cups on each end, which allowing for versatile measurements. The Oxo Steel double jigger is likely made of stainless steel and known for its durability and easy cleaning. An oval-shaped jigger is a variation of the traditional double jigger used in bartending. Instead of having two cylindrical cups on each end of a handle, an oval-shaped jigger features measuring cups with an oval or elliptical shape. This design provides a different aesthetic and may have ergonomic benefits for the user, offering a comfortable grip. Functionally, it serves the same purpose as a standard double jigger, allowing bartenders to measure and pour precise amounts of liquid when crafting cocktails.